Let's do workout with Human by DRS. Every day, 10-minute workout, 1 or 2 kilometer treadmill walk. This is the second workout which will help you to reduce your belly fat and strengthen your leg. So we will do a 20 set of each every single day, which will help you build or reduce the belly fat. Now we'll move to the next workout. This is core focused on your chest. We'll be gonna do I think 50-20 sets every day, which will help you to get in shape with your chest and shoulder. Now let's move to the fourth workout, which is core focused on your leg, and we'll gonna put a 40 kg weight, and we'll be gonna do a 15 to 20 sets, which will strengthen your leg. Now we'll move to the next and my favorite workout, which is the bench press. I usually put 50 kg weight as I have weight of 60 kg, and this will really help to strengthen your chest, shoulder, arms and bicep, and I really like this one, and we'll be gonna do this sets of 5 each every time. Now we'll move to the next session, which is the bicycle. This is most easiest way to reduce your belly fat and strengthen your thigh. If you perform every day for 5 minutes, this will help you a lot and you'll feel more relaxed. Now let's move to the warm-up session. If you start performing this kind of simple warm-up for sets of 15 to 20 each, the next warm-up, this is gonna be the same next 20 set, and this will help you a lot and you'll feel more relaxed, and it's just like all-rounder. And this warm up from your toe to and entire body get aligned, and this will help you in many ways, right? And this is the simplest one. Let's do the sets of 10 to 20. Move a bit and get set ready for my favorite workout. Just round up your hands, best for chest and shoulder. The 5 sets of knee clockwise and anti-clockwise. This is entire body workout. Let's work out in a rest. Hips. So each and every part of the body get warm up, which is ready for the day. This is the favorite one. Each leg 5 times set, which help you to get in shape. This is gonna be 2 sets of 5 to 10, which I really don't like, but this is works for all the people who work in the gym, so I thought let's perform the task. I love this workout because it gives me more stamina and really helping me to get uh, my chest workout done very effectively, and I have seen the result. 15 to 20 sets, easy, with the 10 kg weight. I'm not sure, 10 or 15 kg. This is the most simplest, more effective exercise for your chest, shoulder, and your belly fat and every part of the body. If you gonna do the same activity what I have performed for only 5 minutes, trust me, after 15 days comment on the video what effect you have seen. Very simple, very effective workout which you have, or everyone who is planning to do the workout get into the shape. I'm not talking about getting muscle, I'm talking about get into the shape, and throughout the day of 24 hours give yourself a hardcore energy and get ready for all the tasks. Very simple, very effective way which hold 15 kgs, and trust me, this will help you a lot. And let's do the push-up. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And after the workout, let's do the hardcore session to build a strength and relax in your body. Because we have stress our body, let's relax every muscle. Just lie down on the ground, let's earth help you. Just keep breath in, breath out, breath in, breath out, breath in, breath out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and ready for the next. We'll do the plank for and the cobra pose and the tree pose and the sideline, opposite sideline, going back, let's count 1 to 10. Crossing your body to the left, count 1 to 10. Crossing your body to the right, let's count 1 to 10, and when you feel more relaxed, just get up, sit straight, breathe in, breathe out. And thank you for watching my channel. Stay tuned and find more real life video of human diabetes. Thank you again.